Hi friends, welcome to CK Video. Here's an aftermarket GPS DVD player for Ford series from 2009 to 2012. Let's check out the great functions in this unit. You can listen to radio by selecting channels manually or automatically. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program types. And it supports band AM and FM. It has AF and TA function. You can shift radio to stereo status and listen to local radio stations. Go to the main menu and open GPS system. The 3D navigation map shows you accurate GPS location and route information. It supports Google Map too. The DVD player supports DVD, VCD, CD, MP3, and other formats. You can enjoy 1080p HD videos in it. Connect your phone with the unit via Bluetooth and dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download full book from your cell phone. Check call history. And listen to music from your phone. The file management makes it possible to edit files from external devices. Insert a SD card to the unit, then you can play media files from it. You can listen to songs freely. Go back to the main menu and click video icon. Then you can enjoy videos. Back to the main menu and enter photo interface. And you can view photos by sliding your fingers on the screen. The OBD II system makes it possible to monitor the car's fuel consumption, water temperature, intake pressure, and so on. Surf on internet by Wi-Fi or 3G function. You can set a Wi-Fi hotspot in your cell phone and connect this unit to your phone. Come to the setting interface. You can set options of display, GPS system, security, EQ values, steering wheel control buttons, and so on.